Hi, this is Yamas here with Allen Metal Forge. I'm going over twists in this video series. The first one that I'm going to do is a very basic twist. I have a 1/2-inch bar of steel. You know, I believe it's hot rolled. It's got the nice, it doesn't have a sharp line, or maybe cold rolled. I'm not quite sure which one off the top of my head, which one's which, but it is mild steel. Everything, all these twists are with mild steel. So this one, I'm just going to do a basic reverse twist. I'm sure if you're working on twists, you know the regular twist. This is a reverse twist. Halfway through, I'm going to reverse it, okay? And then go the other way, so that you can see that technique of how to stop the heat and turn it the other way. It may take a couple heats to do it, a little bit of dipping in your quench bucket, but it is a fun twist, and you can throw a lot of different techniques at it. You can go ahead and, you know, do a real loose, you know, quarter, or real loose, long, full twist that takes a nice while to get to where it's going, and then reverse it, and then have a real tight twist, you know. Many different things. You could do that, have one side of the twist be rounded on two sides, and have like a rope twist kind of deal going. You could do a lot with a reverse twist, but I'm just going to do a basic reverse twist. I'm going to do probably with a bar this size. I'll try and split it right there, and I'm going to do a full twist on one side and a full twist counterclockwise on the other side, and show you where that, what that looks like. Enjoy. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my heated stock, put it in the vise, obviously, and take my twisting wrench. I'm just going to use one of them. I have two of these. I usually put them side by side and twist, but so that you guys can see it in the video, I'm going to do it myself, or do it with one and hold the end with my tongs. I've got over here a bucket of water. You can't really see it, and that's going to be what I use to cool where I need to cool as I'm twisting. I'll let you know when I'm doing it, and I'm going to start out here with the regular reverse twist. So I got that heating up, and I'm going to go see how it's doing. Put it in for the initial twist. Okay, and started about midway, and I'm going to go clockwise with this one. That is half a turn. Let me stick with half a turn on that one, and, you know, show you a cool little feature. So that's a simple twist in it. You know, real simple, real basic. Now I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to heat up this side a little bit hotter. I didn't do this one too hot because I wanted a nice smooth twist. Okay, you can get that hot, but with it being hotter, it's less effort to twist it further. You know, so I'm going to heat the other side up. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to cool down this side, but not all the way, just till about where it starts to go square. Then I'm going to put it back in, and I'm going to heat it up to about here, and then cool this back off. Okay, clean that off a bit. I'm going to cool just a little bit. Okay, and put it in. And bring it back a bit. And go counterclockwise. That's a half. I'm going to go 3/4. All right. Just to show you the difference. Okay. Now by cooling this up here, it's a nice smooth transition. And if you cool a little bit farther back, it's a tighter transition into the twist, into the reverse. Okay? Now that is a double reverse twist. You know, or that is a reverse twist. Now that is a reverse twist. Very simple. You turn it one way, and then you turn it the other way. Varying heats, varying amounts of turns, you know, varying tightnesses, you know, to achieve the different results. Experiment with it. You'll have a lot of fun with it. You know, with this you can do quite a bit, you know. Anything from handles, my tongs have twists on them, to, you know, decorative anything. Okay? Twists are fun. Real quick, real simple. I'm going to move on to the next one. Anyway, this is Yamez with Island Metal Forge saying forge on and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, to share these, to like them, to follow me. I do live shows. If you're following my page already, you know this. If you're just tuning in, this is the first video of mine you've seen. I do what I can with what I have. That's kind of my motto with this. Been doing this just under a year and having fun with it. So for those of you just starting out, I recommend trying it instead of just watching the videos. Go out, try it. It's a blast. Thank you.